Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram. Hope you're doing good. Let's get started with the today's topic on Excel series, as we are covering the Excel series. Let's get started with the today's topic, and that is on Excel, calculating Excel minimum and maximum values from the sheet. And it is about, as we discussing about monthly budget. So we need to calculate about our monthly budget average spending. We will be covering up minimum, maximum and average in this series, in this topic. In this video I will be covering you about minimum and maximum, and let's see how we can do that. As you could see, this is what it's look like we have Jan bill, we have Feb bill, we have March bill, we have total and percentage. So let's over here add up minimum over here, and then max, yes, and then we will be doing the average later. So just for the future. So let's see how we can calculate the minimum and maximum value in this video. As we know, this is what we have: the Jan bill, this is the Feb bill, and this is the March bill. For average function, let's go to the formula bar, and we have math and trigonometry. Just search for it. If we could find the max and minimum function. No, you couldn't able to. Let's see. We could able to find it. We have auto sum, we have financial, logical, text, date and time. Here we have more function over here. Let's go to the statistical. We have ensuring, cube and web compatibility, and then we have, let's see where we can find it. We are searching for minimum and maximum function. Yes, we got max and we got min. So we are searching for minimum function. This is just to make you that where the things are. So simple. If you want this function to be directly, you can do this. You can search this function directly from here, or else you can go directly to fx over here, or you can go fx insert over here. So you can find the function. You can choose all functions over here, and then just type the thing what you want to do. You want minimum function, right? Then you can click on go, and you could see over here recommended minimum, and you got it, is it? But over here there isn't problem, because I click on max over here. So let's see, make this little bit max. Yes, I have to calculate min. So go again into fx, search for the minimum, search for the minimum recent function. I just need to click on minimum, and then over here it's showing B6 to B13. It's completely giving from here to here. That's not my priority or parameters, so I need to click on the things what I need. I need it from B6 to B10. I need to calculate the minimum function from here. So click on that, and then that's simple. That's why I got it, 75 from here. That's what the minimum what I spend in January for my phone bill, right? That's what. Let's now calculate with the same thing like max. Let's search for here where we could able to find it. Search for the max. Then again go to the statistical, more information. You could able to see we have seen the max here itself. So if you don't want to go from here, it's so simple thing. Again, you can go in fx, and then you can search in this bar max, and then go for it, and you have the max over here. Then click on it, and you could able to see the function argument. It opened the new window for function argument. Then you need to choose what you want. It's showing the B14 the same. This is the location, and then you need to choose from B6 to B10. That is your parameter or what you needed, and then you need to click OK. That's it. So simple. We got as the max function. See guys, we got the max of 1200, the max value what we've spent for Jan, and the minimum value we spend is 75 for phone in Jan month. And if we calculate, see if we copy paste this over here, is it we are going to get maybe the fab value for minimum fab value or not? Yes, I'm getting. It should be 90. See guys, I'm getting the minimum value over here. Let's see from here if I will get the minimum value, the minimum total value what I have spent. Yes, 240. Yes, that's showing the percentage. Let's see. Yes, 0.004. It's working guys. See, let's calculate the max value. What is over here? Let's see. It should be 1925. It's 1200. Same. Okay, from here to here. So let's see what's the maximum value over here. I think it's the same 1200. Yes, it's the biggest value. And over here, let's see the maximum value. So it's 3600. So that's why we got. And if we click on maximum again, we copy paste. This should be 0.61, 61%. That's it. This is how so simple we will be calculating the things with min and max function, and we can once applied we can copy paste to the cell which you want. If there exactly you want that pattern, if you want, if example if you don't want that pattern, because if you're calculating in different rows, if 1 or 2 rows or 1000 rows of rows and these are not meeting your criteria, then copy paste will not work, because this is the pattern I have followed and this is what I have done with all the things, and then we have copy paste the formula. So simple. And the next session I will be completing the average function, and that's it for the today's guys, and hope you like the video. If you have any question on this, on like minimum and maximum function, you can comment me in the comment section. And thank you, have a great day, bye, take care.